What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. Today we're going to be taking a look at a product that is a little bit unknown to me, actually. This is a microphone, a lapel microphone from a company called Maono, but there's a trick to this one. This one is wireless, so I've never actually reviewed something like this. I'm actually really excited to take a look at it. It's going to be awesome. The box looks very robust. The cool thing is that this product is not on the market yet. Maono reached out to me and said, hey, can we send you one of these to take a look at, to review, and just basically explain and try to experiment with this microphone? And I was like, yeah, come on, bro, send it. While you're watching this video, we'd love for you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. The actual name of the product is the WM730. It has not been released yet. There's no link yet. When it releases, it's gonna drop at around $100 price. I'll update the description when the product actually releases and put a link to buy it from there. But for now, this is actually exciting. This is the experiment. First time reviewing a product that has not been on the market, and it's about to drop in December. So without further ado, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's open up this box and see this microphone in action. Roll the no intro. What is going on, my dudes? Today is a new day. I'm just kidding. I'm just testing the microphone. So now you can see on my screen right here and on there that I'm testing. This is a device plugged in right into my phone. I'm using just, the converter from Apple that they give you when you buy headphones. As you can see over here, there's a light indicator that shows you when I'm actually talking. So when I talk, it does that, and it talks. On the right side, there's an on switch button and a mute button. So if you switch it to the middle like that, all the way to the top, that's on, and all the way to the bottom is off. There's multiple buttons also on the device, basically to search for a new channel if you want to search a new channel, if the channel is not working good wirelessly for you, and basically move between devices. So that is one of the receivers. The other receiver, though, the one that actually is plugged into the microphone, has the capability to do much more, right? So the ability that you have right here is you can actually change between how much audio this microphone is picking up. So you can switch and say, hey, I want all the audio that comes through to be 10 dB less. I want all the audio that comes through, I want it 10 dB more. Or I just want it normal, right? So right now I'm running at minus 10 dB.
because this microphone is very, very high sensitivity and you can hear it. So when I'm going to switch right now in 1, 2, 3 to normal. So I'm at normal right now. How do we sound? I think I sound really, really loud. And now I am at minus 10 dB. Actually, no. That was off. This is normal. This is minus 10 dB. And this is 10 dB extra. I don't know. I'm going to review the audio, listen to it, and we'll know. But yeah, this is the setting that I've been keeping it on right now. I actually like it on this setting. It sounds good, not too loud, not too crowded. This is this microphone on my phone. We're going to test the distance as well. I'm going to go outside and I'm going to film some distance and I'm going to show you how far I can actually go. Okay guys, I think we are working. I'm going to test the distance. The distance between the microphone and the nut. So you can see me right now, you can see me right there. I'm walking back and I want to fall. There's some snow on the ground. Can you still hear me? I am about maybe 15 yards away, 20 yards away actually. We'll keep walking, we'll keep walking, we'll keep walking. I am about 30 yards away, maybe 25. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Testing the audio. We are testing this microphone. This is the Maono WM730. It's a microphone that's about to drop in December to the market. These guys were generous enough to include me into their unboxing, and they sent me a copy of this They sent me this product. I'm about 50 yards away right now. They sent me this product to test for them, and I'm currently really, really liking it. This product can be awesome and used in so many scenarios, in meetings, in Zoom meetings, in video recordings, and unboxing, in TikToks, and YouTube videos, and anything really that includes creating content or filming or anything. I'm currently using my phone on the microphone, but you can plug it in any other camera. Can you still hear me? Can you still hear me? Can you still hear me? Can you still hear me, baby? When you open the box, you actually get this tiny, tiny little mount. This mount actually is supposed to go on your DSLR. So this is my DSLR. You're looking at it right now here. All you want to do is basically just slide this bad boy in, and you're good. You just want to tighten it. And now it's tightened and ready to go. We're going to move the microphone into here. So all you want to do is when you plug it, you just want to turn around, and that will automatically just mount to the top of the mount that they gave you. So now that this is mounted, we'll go ahead and plug it. So this is the microphone. It's getting tested right now on a 700D DSLR connected directly. The microphone receiver wireless is sitting on top of the microphone, top of the camera. So yeah, this is how the audio is testing and sounds. Let's do a couple quick tests. How does the background noise sound on this microphone if you're not talking or if you're breathing, and what does that look like? So that test is going in 1, 2, 3, and dead silence. All right, so that's another test that you gotta think about when you're working with mics like this. You gotta make sure that your camera and your microphone audio is not noisy, and you want it to be clear as possible. So yeah, for this microphone, we just tested that. This is how the audio sounds on a DSLR. All right, guys, so I decided to make the rest of the video on this camera actually instead of that camera. But the reason I did that is because I really like this microphone. I listened to the audio on my phone and I listened to the audio on the camera, and it's super, super crisp. It sounds really good. The audio just has very clear, and I am a person that is known for having a mumbled and a stiff audio, or stiff noise, stiff sound. What am I even saying? So yeah, I'm a person that is known for mumbling and for stuttering and for not talking correctly most of the time. So yeah, for me, listening to my own self, I actually did not hate it as much as I hate it usually. So yeah, I decided to do the outro on this microphone. Maono did a great job on this microphone. It sounds really good. It's great quality. It actually fulfills its promise of a distance of very, very far away. So I did about 50 yards, which was really, really enough for anybody really when they're filming, especially when they're using a wireless microphone. But yeah, this product will drop to the market in December. I'll update the description to include that link when it's there. It's gonna be around $100. And for what you're getting, $100, I mean, come on. It's a great product, a great deal. Again, thank you Maono for sending us product. I really, really enjoyed reviewing it. And that was the WM730 microphone, lapel wireless microphone test and review. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching again. Thank you for supporting the channel. And thank you for every time you click on my video to watch it. I truly appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye.